Hello, welcome back to Sundays with Selma. Today, we are going to make a tasty, filling breakfast skillet. We need the following ingredients to begin. Eggs, 3 numbers. Potato, diced, 2 cups. Onion, diced, 1 medium size. Tomato, chopped, 3 numbers. Olive oil, 4 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Black pepper as needed. Spring onion for garnish. Let's begin, shall we? Grab any deep pan and add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the diced potato and mix well. Then cover with the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium to low heat. Don't forget to stir occasionally. After 5 minutes, add diced onion and mix well and cook onion for 2 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes and mix well. Then close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Now, add the salt and pepper to taste and mix well. Make 3 small holes in the vegetable mixture. Add egg in each hole. Cover and simmer in low heat for 8 to 10 minutes, or eggs are cooked in your desired consistency. Now, our potato egg breakfast skillet is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.